Hello everyone, I'm going to explain experiment number 2. And now this first import pandas is for handling dataset and import numpy is for numerical operation used for plotting graphs and advanced visualization libraries like heatmap, statistical plots and reads the Toyota dataset into data frame and display first 5 rows records. And now this print shows column names, data type and not null values count and display mean like a minimum maximum qualities from the numerical columns. And now import a spilling function and now this from part is import spilling function and selects all column expected last futures and last column becomes target and splits the data into 80% as training and 20% as training. This two print line shows the data set size and this missing percentage is calculates percentage of missing values per column and display the result. This column part is finds column having many missing values and removes those columns and used for filling missing values. And now this numerical column is for numerical imputation, replaces missing numerical values with the mean and replaces missing categories values with the most common values and selects the numerical data and compute interquartile range and removes rows containing extreme qualities. And now this FDF part is for one hot encoding converts categorical columns into binary columns. And now this from part is for detects column having zero variance and finds the constant columns. Now this selector part is for removes future with the very small variation and updates data frame with useful future only. And now this updates the data frame with useful features. And now this part correlation is for compute absolute correlation and take upper triangle to avoid duplicate comparison and to drop the values finds the future highly correlated of greater than equal to 0.9 and removes the refunded futures. And now this selector from SQL learner feature is for selects top 5 important futures and selects 50% of the future which have been presented in the dataset. And now this Pearson correlation is for linear relationship correlation, ranked based correlation, and visualized correlation matrix from the given datasets which have been selected. And now this scalar part is for standardized future which have been given in the dataset. And now this PCA part is for reduced feature into two principal components and shows how many information each component keeps. And IDA this LDA part is create LDA model and project data to maximize class separation. And the scalar part converts a scalar array back to the data frame from the given data set.